Want to personalize your Beacons.ai page? Changing your theme or template is the first step. Themes are pre-designed style packages that control the look and feel of your page. Think color schemes and layouts. Templates are more structured starting points, often tailored for specific industries like artists or e-commerce businesses. To change your theme, log in to your Beacons.ai dashboard. Select Edit Page. Navigate to the Themes tab. Here, you can browse available options and preview them on your page. Free users get access to a set of basic themes, while premium subscribers unlock a much larger library. Once you've found a theme you like, click Apply to see it in action. Beyond simply applying a theme, you can customize it to match your brand and optimize for user experience. Make sure your chosen colors, logos, and fonts are consistent with your overall brand identity. Beacons.ai allows you to upload custom logos and favicons. Consider user experience by ensuring your page loads quickly and is easy to navigate on mobile devices. Also, take advantage of the AI theming tools like Adobe Sensei and Smart Themes for personalized recommendations. Premium users can dive even deeper with custom CSS coding, but this is best left to experts. By focusing on branding consistency, user experience, and accessibility, you can create a Beacons.ai page that is both visually appealing and effective at driving engagement.